everybody, good morning. This is Jean here. Let me get rid of that. I'm just sitting at my sewing machine, thinking I wanted to do something this morning. I'm a little bit tired, but I wanted to sew something. And I had seen this pattern. It's not a pattern. It's just a block that I saw somewhere, maybe on Pinterest or somewhere. And it calls for, I made it up. Or no, I didn't make it up. But I think what it is, it has a charm square pack and a jelly roll pack, which I have had this Moda called Hazel and Plum. Hazel and Plum. They're both the same. And what it is it's just two blocks. You know me and my like one or two blocks in a quilt. It calls for, the one block is a print charm square surrounded by white and then a print. So it's just a charm square white, and then the next one is the print with the print and then the white. So I'm going to open up my things here, and I'm going to actually I cut some white strips, so I think I could actually chain piece these as I'm going along. I'm going to open these up, and I'm going to figure out how I can chain piece these blocks together and see what I come up with. So that's what I'm doing today. Well, so let me do it now. So let me just open this up. I was talking to Jen the other day, and I was saying I'm really enjoying doing this, but it's just me and my camera, and sometimes I have to admit, I love these things. I have to admit that because I just have one camera, I get tired of like setting my camera up over here and then adjusting the focus and doing my little thing. And my camera, it's a good camera, I told you before, only does 10-minute increments. So my son was telling me I need to get a video camera. I've said this before, pardon me for repeating myself. And then he said you can have two cameras, and I'm like, you know, this is fun, but sometimes filming it's not. It's like a pain in the neck. But, so that's why I'm sitting down, because I thought, oh, and I don't look very nice. So anyway, here's my thing. I've been sort of wanting, oh, isn't that pretty? I've been sort of wanting to do this. I don't know how it's going to turn out. But like you just take a charm square. And again, my camera will probably shut off. Pretty, it's a, sort of like a traditional, sweet, yeah, these colors, more earthy tones, but light, springy, earthy tones. It was funny. Jen was saying to me, I don't have blue in my quilts, and I have so much blue over here, and I have so much green. I don't know why. I have a whole bunch. I gravitate to buying it, but I don't make it. I always stick to these warmer, sunnier tones. It's funny. Red is my favorite color. But this is, I think I've stepped outside the box, not really. So anyway, I'm going to start sewing this. My camera will probably go off. So I thought, so I just thought, I guess I can chain piece these. So the one what I'll do is, it's a print charm square with, I said again, sorry, this is a tone on tone. This fabric here, it just looks white. Oh mate, I shouldn't have done this. It has writing on it. It's cute, like script, but it definitely is it's definitely has a front and a back. So what I'll do is I think what I'll do is I'll put the white down here. Now my object is to get, say, half of these. Yeah. Like maybe 21 of these, because there's 42. I actually have another one. So I'll just start, and what I'll do is I'll just start chain piecing. I'll put the right side hopefully you can see this, to the right side. And then I'll just start chain piecing. Look at my sewing machine. You think I'm fast? No, it's my sewing machine. And then 1/4 inch seam. I don't like that one. Right sides together. You've seen me chain piece before. And then I'll just clip the white. Is this how I did the one with the Howdy Doody fabric? I think, no, where my, I chain pieced something else. I like chain piecing. I told you this sewing machine is 1,500 stitches per minute. People think I'm clever. It's not me. Look at this. It's so like not my brother. My brother is awesome. Oh yeah, so I get how many on that piece? Unreal. I still wasn't going as fast. So so what I'll do is I will cut these pieces off. So this is on the one side. So that's on the one side, and then I'll just chain piece the white all the way around it. 2 sides, top and bottom, and then I'll attach a jelly roll around the top. So that would be one block. So I'm just going to do these, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how many I've done. Okay. So I bought my camera over here because that light is really bright, and when I film, it sets a glare, and so does this. I'm so sorry about that. It's really a glare on my machine. But anyway, what I've done is I've made these blocks. Excuse me, I'm so tired. I made these blocks and I cut them apart with strips on both sides. These are a bit pale. This is pretty. With strips on both sides. And then what I've done is I just cut one apart. I put the strip on that side. And then I just cut it apart, and I'll just show you. So I'm on my way to making a charm pack with a white strip around the side. And then what I'll do is I'll add a pretty contrasting one on the top. And then around all 4 sides. Pretty block. It's nice. I'm so tired. I should step away from my machine. I need a cup of tea. But I love to sew. I love to sew. And yeah, I love to sew. So yeah, I think I could only get like 3 now on a strip. Yeah, probably about 3. So I had to cut the white. Yeah, I had to cut the white. And again, let me just see. This is this tone on tone. I always get these tone on tones. It's funny that. And then there you go. So that was the selvage. Chain piecing is awesome. You're like, it's amazing. So I'll put the right sides together. Now I did not iron these, and I just sort of finger pressed it to the dark. So this one, isn't that amazing? This machine is like unreal, unbelievable. So 1/4 inch seam. I love it. I love this. My Juki. I will on my quilt block party. I'm having to do a blanket stitch and a satin stitch, so I'll have to get my other machine out. But this machine is like unreal. It's so fast. Oh, there's Bear. Bear, come here. I had to, my son and daughter-in-law are on vacation in Florida, and they have a dog, a Native American Indian dog. Bear, come here. Come here. Come through. I have a beaded curtain. Come here. Oh, there's my phone. Come here. Can you see? Can you say hello? Come up here. Come here, Bear. Come here. lovely. So, but at 6 o'clock this morning or 7 o'clock this morning, I went over and got Bear. She's spending the day. And they also have about a 200-pound pig. I'm like, what? I had to go feed the pig. I had to make sure the pig was okay. So I was there on vacation and I'm feeding their pig. So I'm tired. What is wrong with this picture? So anyway, okay, Bear, you can go away. She's sweet. They lived with us while their house was being built, and with their babies and Bear. So yeah, I like my machine, but I'm tired today. Oh, I love my machine. But yeah, this is a is my Juki, my mechanical machine. This is like a presser footer lifter upper, and it goes in here. It goes here, and then this goes down here. Hopefully you can see it goes down here. So I love the concept. I think it's an awesome thing. But I don't know if I don't think it's made for heavy people, which I am, and because my thigh keeps hitting it, so I'm showing along, and all of a sudden my presser foot's going up, and I'm like, oh, what? And I'm realizing my thigh is sort of pushing it because it's sort of right here, down here. So it's cool. It's a nice idea for skinny people. Juki must be made for skinny people. So that's that. I love my machine though. It's a fantastic machine. Really, really nice. So I'm going to chain piece these. Actually, I'm so tired. I'm so sorry. I got to go get a cup of tea. I'll go watch some television. I like Gold Rush. We DVR it. Do you have Gold Rush? Do you like Gold Rush? These gold miners up in Alaska and the Yukon. Parker Schnabel. I don't know. He's getting a little bit big for his britches, I think. He's not nice. I don't like all the cursing. It's not nice. And Tony Beats, forget, oh, look, there's my block. There's my block. So there, so 2 seconds it makes. But yeah, I like Gold Rush, and I like House Hunters. I like House Hunters a lot. House Hunters is cool. But it's so scripted. It's like, I want granite and stainless steel and white kitchen. Like, oh, I've had it granite and stainless steel and a white kitchen for the last 17 years. I hate it. I hate my granite. It's horrible. And it's a shame about granite, because once you have it, it's so expensive. You can't get rid of it, because it's expensive. And the stainless steel, with 10 kids, the fingerprints, a mess. I'll give you black appliances any day. But, oh, granite and stainless steel and a white kitchen. A white kitchen. I want a black kitchen to hide the dirt, And did you ever notice on House Hunters, they never ever agree. The husband and wives never agree. He wants a craftsman. She wants a ranch. She doesn't want to do steps. I'm thinking you're 20 years old. Oh, and the 20-year-olds, they have like a budget of like $700,000. Like, where do you find these people? Like, where do you find these people? It's just so funny. And then they they all want the same exact thing. They want, how about these open floor spaces, right? We want open floor plan. I want the living room and the family room and the dining area and my kitchen and my toilet all to be in the same room, right? And I want to be able to see my kids. I'm thinking, I don't want to see my kids. Kids, go away. No. And they all have to have these fabulous entertaining spaces. They're so pretty. These fabulous entertaining spaces. They entertain. They have barbecues. They entertain. They have fun people over. And guest rooms. Don't they? They all want guest rooms. They all have to have guest rooms. I'm like, how many guests do you have during the course of a year? It's just so funny. Yeah, I like House Hunters. But they never, ever, ever, ever pick the right house, right? She wanted a ranch. He wants a contemporary modern. And they end up with the split level. Do you ever notice that? You're like, pick number one. Pick number one. Pick number one. They always pick number 3. It's just funny. I'm so sorry. I'm tired. I'm rambling on. But look at this. Back to quilting, Jean. These blocks are making up so quickly. Even when I'm, actually it's a little bit crooked. Even when I'm tired and I need a cup of tea. And, but this is our little block. Now I'll take it over. and I'll attach my bind. I make, like I said, I'll make 20, or did I say it? I don't know if I did. Make 21 of these with that on the top, and then around it, and then the print on the print, and then the white. So it's a quilt block that sort of sashes itself. Oh, it's a little bit crooked. I really have to step away from the machine. Oh, it's so crooked. Anyway, I'm going to turn this machine off. I'm going to go sew. No, I'm not going to go sew. I'm going to go watch some television. But I'll come back when I'm really rejuvenated and finish my blocks, because I'm tired. I'm tired. And you know, yeah. One of these. Oh, I'm looking over here. It's so funny. One of these days I'm going to make a blue quilt. I keep buying blue fabric, but I never make a blue quilt. Jen's like, you have to make a blue quilt. So one of these days I'm going to make a blue quilt. I gravitate towards red and pinks and oranges. I'm not a blue person. I'm not a blue person. But anyway, I'm a tired person. I'm going to go have a cup of tea. And I'm going to go watch my House Hunters and get frustrated. Get frustrated. Oh. Anyway, that's that for today. Pardon my ramblings. Oh, excuse me so much. My blocks are pretty with a thing around them. It'll be 6 blocks across, 7 blocks down, right? And then they'll finish. Oh, I have to put this on. They'll be a, let me see. Oh, it's a 12.5 inch. Oh, it's a 12.5 inch block. So 6 across, 6 times 12. I don't know what that is, but it'll be a decent sized quilt if I just sewed the blocks together. So anyway, I may come back when I'm a little bit perkier and not so tired, and having fed the pig and the dog. Yeah, this is my life. Anyway, thanks folks for joining me this morning. I wish you could be here and have a cup of tea with me and we laugh at the house they choose. Okay, see you later. Bye.